believe that there's a truck in front of me. Wow. Yep, the road is underwater. Yep, it's yep. Okay. Yep, that's definitely a storm. I cannot even see the truck that's in front of me. It's probably about 100 metres away. Look at that. Yeah, people pulled over everywhere. There we go. That's better. Wow. Yep, slippery. That truck is really fighting. He was really fighting to keep in control then. It was sticking around all over the place as he was slowing down to turn. Wow. Yep, there'll be some water here. I just hit this puddle in the left-hand lane, and even at almost zero throttle, it was just spinning the wheels. It was just boom, 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 boom. The revs just went straight up. Aquaplane. I'm doing 90 on the back side of the storm now. That's what I'd slowed down to. Even a bit slower than that when it was in the thick of it. Huh. Well, that was fun. So, wow, okay. So the storm's now, yeah, it's going along the Adelaide Hills to my right. Alright. Let's find some go-go juice and go and chase it again. Oh, yeah. It's now 3:30. It's been half an hour since I started chasing storms. It's gone from 36 degrees to 21. It's obviously going to go back up now. But that's a big temperature change in the span of 30 minutes. There you go. Hello, mate. Yuri. Just over the expressway. Hello, mate. I should stop somewhere. Get out. God damn it. That is a wicked view to my right. Man, engineered wiper blades. Not that old. Ooh, that car nearly didn't stop. It's an under down that road. Greenock behind me. Stop somewhere so I can get some footage of that. That looks wicked. I don't want to stop. So we're in the Barossa. For all you wine lovers. Not my thing. Nice glass of porter go down well though. Not while I'm driving, but what's going on here? Broke directions. No. Okay. Done it, mate. Well, I just stopped to grab some fuel in Newry. So I'm now heading essentially along the Barossa through the Adelaide Hills. That storm is miles away already. So it's crossing the hills. Huh, okay. Interesting. So where I was out in the Gawler Belt, it looked like it was basically going to run down along the line of the hills past Adelaide, but you can see here, well, the hills are disappearing. There's some nice little roads up there too. Not that you'd see much, but it's going to be raining. That was a big storm cell. I only went through the edge of it. I didn't even go near the middle of it or the front of it. That missed me, like it was going in a complete different direction to what I was. Oh, there's another one. Okay. Oh, there's more. Okay, there's another one to my right and another one coming from the north behind me. Hell. See, now I'm spoiled for choice. I could go any direction. This is a nice road, but this road's always full of traffic. Always. Especially this time of day. It's just going to be cars everywhere. Right. Crosssake.com. Excuse me.com. Yeah, we're just catching up to the back end of the first cell that come through. Alright. I'm going to pull up somewhere and do a bit of searching around. Now, I was getting lightning strike warnings and all sorts of stuff when I was filling my car up in the direction that I'm going. It didn't show any behind me, but I didn't really look around, so I'm going to pull up somewhere, have a look at the map. Radar map is what I meant. And make a choice from there. He says as he keeps driving, you know. Yeah, I'm going to pull up. I'll just keep driving. Minty Road. They're all going that way, so let's go this way. That sounds like a plan to me. Alright, I'm stopping. I'm going to get a plan of attack together. See what I'm doing. Word. Ta-da, mate. Alright, so there's a storm to my right, there's a storm behind me, there's another storm to my left. I'm going to follow this road, hopefully gain a little bit of elevation, and hopefully be able to have a look over the Barossa and these storms that are passing through. Just looking to my right, I can see a couple of kilometres and then there's just grey. There's no definition between the sky and the ground. Oh. Yeah, alright, I'm going to pull over just over here somewhere, real quick. Alrighty, so that's looking north. Wow, it's cool here. I'm shivering. I've just come from nearly 40-degree weather. Okay, lightning behind me. Hang on a sec. Let's try that again. There's too much bloody traffic. That's the one thing about this area. Storm cell there. And that one that's crossing the hills. That was the one I drove through originally. Awesome. Right, I'm getting back on the road. Timing. What you're going to see is raindrops again. Just trying to stay behind the storm but climb up the hill so I can give you a good view. Is that turn off I just missed? Yep. God damn it. You bulb. Oh, mate. Mangler's Hill. So that storm was across the valley. That's the second storm there. The first one has already gone through the hills. It's on the other side. Wow. Alright. Beautiful countryside. I can't see a thing. Just took some photos from the lookout and a little bit of video. I could hear the thunder and stuff in the background from this first lot that has rolled through. I think I can get up to the top of these hills and turn right. I think. Don't always remember. Tree branch down. Up to 24 degrees. Still a long way from 36. I love this time of year. Oh yeah, there's another storm cell catching up to me. Secondary, so it won't be lightning and all that sort of stuff. I wouldn't have think anyway. Some really nice old houses here. Gravel pit road, no through road. That's just coming off the trees. It's not raining. Park. Okay, mate. Brown signs. Brown sign adventures. I'm going to pause that for a minute. Drive with the windows down, but it makes for terrible audio, which is probably already terrible because we're driving and I've got a lot of tools in my car. It's crazy how dark it is. We're going to get back into the rain, so the video footage is going to go to hell very shortly. So there'll probably be no point recording, although I may record it and just not use it anyway. Catching up to it again. A cool road. Cool road that's disappearing. Yep. We're about to get wet. Here it comes. That road? Stone Creek something or other? Oh yeah. terrible video to do for our very first live stream. Never done it before.